Well, first of all, it's great to be here in the city of Bangalore. I think ETAuto and Gamma Technologies have put up a fantastic event. I'm really excited to be here. You know, being in COVID and being cooped up for years and being on Zoom, as I said, Zoom is something that I don't really like. It's great to be there, but I think these physical interactions are extremely important. Coming to these events, meeting people, changing ideas with technology players, with battery players, with OEM, and a vast majority of these people is extremely productive. I think more of these need to happen. I think India is going through a rapid change, and I think events like this really enhance value. And I want to thank again ETAuto and Gamma Technologies for putting such an event and making such an interactive meeting, conference where people from all backgrounds are coming and discussing startups, OEMs, and many others. So again, thank you very much for hosting us. Absolutely. Simulation has a major role to play in EV. You see the technology. This is not a mechanical play. This is a technology play. This is a computer on wheels. This is where simulation can play parts in various parts of the process, and EV building and EV growth is there. And I think the future of companies like Gamma Technology and many others like this in this space is only going to increase. And I think it'll bring efficiency. We took at Manufacturing 4.0, we talk about artificial intelligence, we talk about IoT, we talk about Meta, we talk about all these things. And I think simulation will take more and more in every part of the manufacturing as well as in the technology play. I think a lot of OEMs need to change with the time, and I think that there's a lot of new age OEMs who don't have the experience, because EV has become a very level playing field. So I think, obviously a lot of them didn't have the capital initially to get simulation to the level it should be or get that sort of work done. I think now it gives a chance to a whole bunch of new players. See, the ecosystem has only increased. Battery players, powertrain manufacturers, part manufacturers, OEMs, so many different players are coming in. So I think in the processes, understanding it, new markets can be done. And I think simulation has a very important part to play over the next decade. Absolutely. I would say, and I said this before, one life lost is way too many. And I think this is where simulation can really help companies, startups, OEMs, and all players. I think the role of simulation only increases the importance of simulation only input. And I think this is something specifically in the battery space where you've seen so many issues. And I think I would reach out to all the different companies involved in this space. Increase using simulation technology in your benefit. Work towards it, adapt it, and save lives, build better products, and really build a business for the long term. I think it's done a phenomenal job. I think it's increased efficiency, safety, cost. Sometimes technology does not mean higher cost. Technology can be used in advance to reduce costs, and GD Technologies has been part of that. I'm really excited to see the work that they are doing. I think that I would like all of the people at large to check out the great work they've been doing, their research teams, their technology teams, their marketing teams. Please get involved, listen to them, see what it is, evaluate your products, and enhance your value to yourself, to your consumers, to your customers, and to your employees. Look, I think at this moment you have to understand LFP has been around for the most. And so I think, when you change technology, there is risk associated. I keep saying, make sure you do enough testing. We've got products come out too fast that brings risk. In automobile sector, lives matter, right? Somebody's grandma, somebody's daughter, somebody's son is involved. So I would say, I think sodium, zinc air, aluminum, many new technologies are coming in, but I think we have to give it time. Right? This is something because the battery is so, explosive and can be so dangerous. I think we have to keep bringing new technologies. I think LFP has done its work. I think new technologies are coming in. There were few players. Log9 just talked about it. There'll be many other players. Reliance is working on, many in sodium ion. There's many new things coming. I think you have to give it time. Hydrogen is not bad, but hydrogen is on the way. But I think it takes time. I think the rate and speed of this will increase, but I think we have to give this time. And I think we have to be patient. One thing I've learned in life, be time and have patience, it'll work for you. Thank you so much.